Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So this is our vending. So we have a drawing here. So this is isometric drawing. If you can see this drawing, we have a vertical shadow. So this is this line and this line. We have a normal vent. So first things you need to do is the orientation. Okay. Let's say we have this is our north, this is south, and this is east, west. Okay, so this is called an orientation. This is very important to read the isometric drawing. This is the orientation. Okay, and also for the wire bending, so this is a wire. For the wire bending, you must first check the orientation. Okay, also the next is the elevation. Okay, let's say this our elevation is 5,000 and we have elevation here is 3,000. Okay, so it means this elevation is higher for this elevation. Okay, to bend this wire, check the northing. So we have a north, this is our north. So first make it our wire is horizontal for this square for this line. Okay, make it north it. So this is our north, and then this line is going down. So it means the elevation is 3,000 and the elevation is 5,000. It means this is going down. Okay, this is down, and then this line is going to east. Okay, and then make it bend to going to east like this, and then we have a line going to north. Okay, this line is going north. Make it proper and squareness. So our bend is a good and beautiful. Okay, now next we have a line going here. It means this line is going to west. Okay, like this. Okay, next we have a shadow here. With what shadow is this one? This is a vertical shadow. It means our line is going up, vertical. Okay, so this is a vertical shadow. We have a shadow here with a vertical shadow. Okay, let's review our vent. You must review your vent before you give it to the interviewer. Okay, so we have one line, one, two, going down, three, and this is four, and this is five, and this is six, going to a vertical shadow. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you have learned about this video for a wire bending technique for the 5 feet, and this is important for the interviewer. You must know this, the wire bending, so that the interviewer is impressed to you. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in my next video.